Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you an amazing AI extension for Google Chrome that makes your work easier and faster than ever. Seriously, you're going to love this. You need it in your life. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and drop a comment below. Alright, let's get started. Sidebar is a browser extension that gives you an AI sidebar right next to whatever you're doing online. It can summarize web pages or videos, translate text, explain complex content, help you write or edit text, and even work with your PDF and images. It supports multiple AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and more, so you can switch between them depending on the task. No more tab switching. Ask questions, summarize, or translate right inside the page you're on. Upload PDF or image, and let the AI analyze, extract, or summarize them for you. Use the built-in Wisebase to save notes, summaries, and research so you can come back to them later. Huge time saver. Everything is in one place. Perfect for researchers, students, and content creators. Great for multi-language work. Translate and explain text instantly. Some advanced features may require a paid plan because it lives inside your browser. Always check what data you're comfortable sharing. How to get started? Go to cider.ai or find Cider on the Google Chrome Web Store. Install the extension and grant the necessary permissions. Start experimenting with summarizing pages, translating text, chatting with AI right inside the site, or taking notes with Wisebase. Turn on only the features you need to keep things simple and fast. If you want an AI that works where you work, right in your browser, helping with writing, research, translating, or just getting things done, Cider AI is absolutely worth a try. Give it a shot. See how it fits into your workflow, and let me know in the comments which feature you liked most. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you in the next video.